stop drawing the same shape again and again in AutoCAD. If you have not been using mirror and offset, you have been doing double work. This lesson, we are going to learn about offset and mirror. We have this drawing in our shape. We will turn it from a single object into an accurate layout in seconds. To begin, let's offset this object. To offset, you type offset, and then you click enter. Then you select the distance for offset. You type 0.2, and then click enter. Then it will ask you to select the object. You select the object that you want to offset, and then the direction either inward or outward, the right or to the left. So let's select on the outside, and then after clicking that, you click enter. Then your drawing will be offset. To use mirror, you type mirror, then it will ask you to select the object. After selecting the object, you right click on your mouse, and then it will ask you to specify the first point of the mirror line. Then after selecting the first point, it will ask you the second point. And then it will ask you if you want to erase your previous object, and you say no. So as you can see, this is similar to an object like a mirror. The left side is similar to the right side. That is how we use offset and mirror when you want to draw symmetric objects. Thank you, and see you in the next video.